Hi, I'm Rachel Gould. Today I'm going to show you how to make a complete bib using derived records. Using Stax, you can derive data from your library's catalog or from your Z3950 servers. You can replace an entire record if you find a more complete, accurate one, or you can simply replace specific fields with new data. Let's take a look at this feature in action. Here I have a brief record. I click the Derive icon at the top and then Quick Cataloging. The title and author are already filled in, so I click Search. I look through the list to find the format and publisher that best matches my item. I'll preview this one to confirm it's what I want, and then click the arrows and Replace Record to override my existing bib. I'm going to update the title field to only include the author, add a few subjects from other records, and include the editor. Now let's quick catalog an item and add information from derived records. First, I scan my ISBN and Stax searches my servers. Again, I pick the best fit. The other matches are automatically added as derived records. And I'm going to add all titles by the same author in my library's catalog. Now that I have derived records selected, I'm going to add a Dewey Call number. Also, I want to compare the series title to make sure they all match. Once I replace the title, I can look at the numbers from Syndetics Unbound to get the correct volume. Next, I'm going to add subjects suggested from the other records by clicking the plus icons. As you can see, deriving data cuts cataloging time and helps you complete records efficiently. To learn more about Quick Catalog, manual entry, and more, visit online help at booksys.clickhelp.co. And keep an eye out for more videos in our catalog series.